All right, so I want to show you how you can turn on the Gmail sending ability from QuickBooks. So what this does is rather than getting an email from a customer that is just from like the Intuit QuickBooks generic email, you can actually have it come from your finance person's Gmail account or the email that is like the business domain. So what you need to do to get there is you create just a dummy account. So I'm going to go into edit this invoice and just fill it out with general whatever. As long as there's an email, it'll work. We're going to click review and send. And then once you do this, you're going to click the from drop down and then add Gmail address. So I'm going to click add Gmail. You're going to connect your Google account. And then from this Google account, you're going to click Chris at or whatever email you want to connect. In my case, I'm going to use mine. Click continue. And now the email is actually going to come from the Chris at Hello Boolean instead of QuickBooks notifications. So I'm just going to show you what this actually looks like or the difference here. But if I send this from that Chris at Hello or the Chris QuickBooks one versus if I go back and I'm going to do review and send again, and this time I'm going to send it from the Chris at Hello Boolean. I'm going to hit send invoice that time. And now if we go look at the email that came in, the first one just says QuickBooks notifications. There you go. The second one says it's from Chris at Hello Boolean. So subtle difference. This is going to have a higher chance. First of all, you can see that this one says unsubscribe. So your email is just picking it up kind of as a spammy email or potentially not a real person. In this situation, it's coming from your business domain, far less likely to go to spam and increases the deliverability of emails and invoices in particular to your clients.